Hey guys, look what we got. Say hello, Miss Dominic. Say hello. Okay. Got a gumball machine. Got two of them, right? Which one for Michelle? Which one for Dominic?
This for Daddy, Michelle. This is Michelle. This is Dominic.
Okay, Dominic got a small one. Michelle got the big one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, it's not Dominic.
Which one you want to open first?
Big
Huh?
one.
Big one? Open the big one first? Okay.
And we got money chocolate too.
Oh, we got some chocolate money, yeah. Alright, let's open the big one. Okay.
You got bubble gum. It's pop. It's
Yeah. So this was on sale at Toys R Us for under $10.
This is not yours. This is mine.
Yeah. And this one was about $2, the small one. Hold on, honey. Daddy open for you, okay? Hold on, we got open this way. This way.
We got all of this. We got small and big. And we got. Hey, move the water away, Michelle.
Hold on, let me get tape off. Hold on, baby.
Hold on.
Oh, I got some more tape on the sides. Alright. Yeah. See, here we go. Gumball.
Oh, my side.
Okay, open. Okay, hold on. Okay.
I helped you open the gumball.
Okay, get this out.
Bạn ấy đừng xin với Michelle sao?
Alright, honey, hold on. So, the big one. Alright. Okay. Bubble. And it lights up and makes music, right? It lights up and makes music.
There we go.
So you got it in there? Got all the candy? Alright. So only comes with a handful of candy, it doesn't come with the whole globe there. Alright. So you wanna make a turn?
Yeah. Yellow! I got yellow, Daddy.
Wow, Michelle's turn. Okay. Other way, honey, other way. Oh, there, you got it. Another yellow one. Okay.
Can I do one?
No, Michelle, don't eat.
Just like.
Okay, so that's the big one. You want to open the small one? Alright. So here's the small one.
Here, Michelle.
Michelle's still playing the big one, right? And you open the small one? Okay.
And I got bubble gum.
Got bubble gum.
Man, I clip my hope that's your mother off.
Michelle, mình nhắm it going, okay?
Richard, don't put the water in.
Hold on, let me pause. Alright. So we got the globe, we got the dispenser, and we got the gumballs, yeah? Do you want to put it inside the globe? Yeah, you want to put it inside? Here you go, honey. Put it inside?
Nope. The blue one.
Oh.
You find me a blue one yet?
It's my real
No,
one.
no.
Okay. Alright.
I don't see blue. Now blue what blue, huh?
So this one has no lights, no sound. Yeah. It's nice and small. So here, you want to turn it, honey? Okay, turn it. Here, let me see it.
No.
Does it work? There you go.
Okay, blue in.
Wow, there you go. Yeah. No, honey, you gotta do it upside down. Yes.
What's your mommy?
Okay, so that's it. Alright. Thanks for watching.